And this is Friday morning, the 5th day of June 2026. Good morning, everyone. How many of you remember this video that was 4 years ago? A group of terrorists who came for pardoning. They came for peace deal, if I may say so. And they were asking them, how do you people start terrorizing? So they were giving their story. And this man you are seeing talking stood up and said, I swear in the name of Allah, we don't know gun. Cows don't give birth to gun. Fulanis don't know gun. It was the federal government of Nigeria that gave us gun. This was under Buhari. It was federal government of Nigeria that gave us gun. They told us where to attack and where not to attack.
Idan ba gwamnati ta daure man wanda yake cikin daji ya ta'addanci ba Allah ubangiji ya tsine ma Allah dauki rayuwa ta a wurin nan. Bahilla ce saniya aka san shi da ita sai noma. Saniya ba ta haifa bindiga AK-47. Bahilla ce bai da makera da zai kera bindiga AK-47. Gwamnati ke turowa har muka samu. Mu kuma wallahi dalilin da ya sa billahi lazi shekara na 7 ina makarantar allo. Amma lokacin da na dawo na tsinci kaina a cikin wannan abun wallahi ina mamaki kullun ina tunanin rayuwata.
People watch, they look, they go away. They watch, then they listen, they forget. That is what Nigerians do. They listen, they watch, they forget, they go away. And this single statement is capable of causing a civil war. Because the DSS were there, the military were there, the police were there, the local government chairman were there, the government came there. And such allegation was put forth. It's capable of causing a civil war. Not only that, you see all this cowardly statement Gumi has been making. It's capable of causing a civil war. When Gumi said that the government knows these people by their name, they know where they are, they know them, they have their phone number, they know their location. So it is easy to assess these terrorists than to assess the president. I'm quoting Sheikh Ahmed Gumi. People thought that maybe he was lying. He wasn't. He's just telling you the truth. And that, proves the complicity between the government and the terrorists. I have a question for you. Do you believe that you're watching me, there is a 60% probability that if Nigeria continue, you may not be alive from now to the next 10 years? This is very serious, and I want you to understand what I'm talking about. Like, you don't have life of your own now, right now. Almost every Nigerian is on a death row. Your life is at the mercy of some terrorists who are being backed by the government. Now, if you understand this, my introduction, when you accept Nigeria to continue like this, or you will accept Nigeria to divide, so that each sovereign state, even though it's into 50, into 40, each sovereign state will now have their sovereignty to defend themselves. This is a war coming. Nigeria cannot defend you because Nigeria is supporting them because of Sharia, because of Islamization. People in government are sponsoring and supporting them. Remember that last year, I came here to tell you that for Sultan of Sokoto to say that he backed Sharia law and court in the Southwest, that there will be a lot of killings that will come in the Southwest. That is just a year ago. He made this statement. And I made a live video. I told you people that this is what is going to happen. Because that is the modus operandi, the way they work. So, now they are already in the Southwest, conquering everywhere. The DSS knows where these terrorists that kidnap school children are now. They have been releasing video, doing photos. You can even track it through their metadata and see their location. But the problem here is this. Who is going to go after them? The Oyo State yesterday said that they can't negotiate with these terrorists because they are asking for the implementation of Sharia law in Oyo State. The delegation led by the federal government, have you people here heard anything from them? Listen, at this point in time, I want you to think without sentiment because this is death. This is disintegration of Nigeria. I remember that I've been telling people right from time to go and get your gun, enter a vigilante group or national hunter, enter a security outfit, get your gun. Okay? Enter a security outfit, get your gun because these people are bringing war to your doorstep. They are bringing the war to your doorstep. And the government, instead of stopping them, we back them. APC government, we back them. They brought them into Nigeria, don't forget. In 2014, 2015, someone did like Kawu Baraji and the rest of them, they were confessing that they brought these terrorists to remove Jonathan. And these terrorists are telling you that government armed them, that they don't have gun, they don't have this, they don't have that. So, yesterday, Baba Hakim Ahmed, the other brother to Dati Ahmed, the national chairman of PRP party, he was saying that Tinubu should resign now. But Tinubu resigning is not the solution. This thing is going to continue no matter who enters Aso Rock. There is something, people don't know Nigeria. That is my pain. If you know Nigeria, you go to Cotonou and seek asylum. You just run there and tell them that you need protection if you know Nigeria. This is not to exaggerate or this is not to make you to have fear. No, I'm trying to tell you where you are. Because you see these teachers they beheaded, if they understood where they are, they could have mapped up security. If they understood the terrain they are, they will not do what they are doing. If you understand where you are as a Nigerian, you will not go and buy your second car without buying gun. I just want you to understand where you are. One Nigeria is not sustainable. Nigeria must divide for people to have peace. If you feel that, oh, you have another option, no problem. May God keep all of us alive. Let's be watching. No, let's be watching. You have been trying everything you could. You have tried political regime change. You have tried the security beef up. They have tried buying fighter jet. They have tried peace deal. They have tried fighting. What else have they not tried apart from dividing this country? You see? This war is going to go to every corner of Nigeria. I'm telling you, this is not a threat. It is a process. Remember the illustration I gave you yesterday, that if you are going from Asaba to Lagos, you know you are going to pass Omunede, Agbo, Bini, going to Ore, going to Ijebu-Ode before you start entering Lagos. So if you depart from Asaba and your mission is to go to Lagos, anytime you are in Uromi Junction in Agbo or you're already in Benin, I know that your next destination will be Ore. After Orejebu, before Lagos. So I know where you are going. So I know where these people are going. This war is coming. They have a destination. If they did not reach there, they will not stop. The only thing that can stop them is the disintegration of Nigeria. Dividing this country is the only thing, only thing, no any other thing that will stop these people. Now, yesterday, I spoke with one of U.S. military personnel who told me that United States have a policy that they regard ISIS, Al-Qaeda as international terrorists. That is why US can easily come, collaborate, and take them out. That it will take another measure for maybe US to come and say they want to help you to fight these people, these terrorists, they tag bandits. Because they see them as a local terrorist that people supposed to deal with. The local government supposed to deal with, not international something. You now seeing that the situation is twisting. You've got to save yourself. You've got to, arm yourself. I will continue to repeat this. Only thing that can save you, apart from arming yourself, is if this country divide, the territorial integrity will map up their military and defend themselves. If people are coming to fight you, that the government is not supporting them, it will be easier for you to fight. All these Boko Haram, bandits, ISIS, people can fight them. Not that people cannot fight them. But if you want to fight them, soldiers will disarm you. Soldiers will guide them to go and attack and do all sorts of things. One Nigeria is not sustainable. Either you continue to argue till thy kingdom come. This country must be dismantled. If Nigeria did not end, you see, it will take a lot of lives. When a foundation is destroyed, what will the righteous people do?
If you be useless, you're very useless. If you're in Nigeria, you are useless. I swear. How can you be buying for 1,320? And you dey happy? Only you dey auto then sing the Oba to Jobalo. Oba to Jobalo ni Tinubu to ti pa yin tan. Ọlọ́run yin da, Èṣù yin da. It's not better you serve the Satan that you are accusing. All of you go commit fornication. Una go sleep with yourself. Una go say na Satan. What did Satan do you? Una never ready for anybody this country. This country, until you fight, you will never have your freedom. Freedom is very precious. Look at Boko Haram. It's in Oyo State. From Kwara to Oyo State, Oyo State to Lagos, he go reach all of you. I swear, as they behead that man head, now so they go behead Tinubu head one day. They go behead him Papa in. No, you don't even know him Papa. They go behead him in son head. You look at me. I'm not afraid. Look at me properly. Very useless country. They look at me. They go behead the head of Sheyi Tinubu. They go behead the head of Olulemi Tinubu. They go behead the head of Pastor Adebole. They go behead all of them. They go behead the head of Pastor Tunde Bakare. Because Pastor Tunde Bakare reached Jonathan death in 2014 when Jonathan want to increase fuel to 121. Pastor Tunde Bakare said Jonathan must die. If you don't kill corruption, corruption will kill us. What are we doing now? Corruption is doing you what? Corruption has buried you. You are all stupid in this country for allowing a drug addict a certificate forger. A certificate forger is your president, and you claim you go to school. Your schools are useless. If you go to any Nigerian school, you didn't go to any school. You are an educated illiterate. That's all of you are. Educated illiterate. All of you. A certificate forger. An identity thief. Bola Tinubu is not his name. His name is Amoda. He doesn't have ancestry in Nigeria. He's from Gambia, Senegambia. That's where he's from. When he came to your country, he bought all the institutions. He bought Adebole, he bought Kumuyi, he bought Tunde Bakare, he bought Wole Soyinka, that graduate professor. He bought all the elders. Tinubu made us to know who is now the real people with conscience. Nigerians have nobody with conscience. If you are praying, no God answer you, because the prayer of a sinner is abomination to that God. Even that God is abominable for watching his children to be slaughtered. Where is God? You are calling every day and he can't save you. Where's God? Show us that God. Show us that God. If a God can wait, he's not aware of his people dying every day, and you are praying to that God, are you deceiving yourself? You have 4 refineries, none of them is working. Some of you tell me now I should go to Aso Rock and go and talk this to Tinubu. If I get to Aso Rock, me, I go personally fight Tinubu. Personally, it's already dead. Look at the dead man ruling Nigeria. All of you, are you not living cough? All of us, are we not living dead? Mohbad was spy in 2022 or 2023. 3 years after, no justice for Mohbad. The stinking boy is rotting in mortuary, and you are here telling me that you bought fuel for 1,320. Shame on you for buying it. Anybody buying fuel for 1,320? Shame on you. You are a slave. Your father is a slave. Your mother is a slave. All of you are slaves, and you will die in slavery if you don't kill Tinubu, if you don't kill Akpabio, if you don't kill Tajudeen Disu, if you don't kill all these stupid governors. You will never have freedom. Look at what's going on in your state right now. It's your greed.